Hello student, our topic name is reproduction in lower and higher plant. In previous lecture, we see the structure of anatropous ovule. Anatropous ovules means the inverted ovule. Anatropous ovule consists of tunicole, hilum, integuments, nucellus, embryo sac, micropyle and chalical end. So, in this lecture, we see how development of female gametophyte take place. Student, we know the term microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis means formation of a microspore from microspore mother cell. This process is known as a microsporogenesis. This process we see in the development of the male gametophyte. Development of female gametophyte, we see the process. This process is known as a megasporogenesis. What is the meaning of the megasporogenesis? Megasporogenesis means megaspore mother cell undergo meiotic division, that is reductional division, and there is the formation of a 4 haploid megaspore. This process is known as a megasporogenesis. Microsporogenesis process takes place in the development of the male gametophyte, and megasporogenesis process takes place in the development of the female gametophyte. Where development of the female gametophyte take place? This development take place in nucellus of the ovule. Nucellus, it is also known as a megasporangium, and it is made up of a diploid parenchymatous cell. So, you remember where development of the female gametophyte take place? Development of female gametophyte take place in a nucellus of a ovule. Then, student, we remember the archaeosporial cell. Archaeosporial cell, it is hypodermal in origin. Archaeosporial cell, it is hypodermal in origin. Hypodermal means it is developed from ovary wall. Hypodermal means it is developed from a ovary wall. Archaeosporial cell functions as M and C. What is the long form of this MMC? In development of the male gametophyte, we see the structure of microspore mother cell, but in female gametophyte, this MMC is called 4 haploid megaspore. This process is known as a megasporogenesis. This process is known as a megasporogenesis. Development of female gametophyte take place in nucellus of ovule. In nucellus, hypodermal cell at the micropylar end become active and function as megaspore mother cell. Arches Fourier cell is hypodermal in origin, that is developed from a ovary wall, and this megaspore diploid megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis, that is reductional division, and there is formation of a 4 haploid megaspore. This process is known as a megasporogenesis. Then we see the diagrammatic structure of development of a female gametophyte. First point, megaspore mother cell. Megaspore mother cell, MMC. That is, it is also called as a megaspore mother cell. Megaspore mother cell. It undergo reductional division, that is meiotic division, and there is formation of 4 haploid megaspore. There is formation of 4 haploid megaspore. These megaspores are arranged one upon another. So this arrangement is called a linear. And how many megaspores are present? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this arrangement is called as a linear tetrad of megaspore. Tetrad means 4 megaspores arranged in a row. So this arrangement is called as a linear arrangement of the megaspore, or it is also called as a linear tetrad. This is the first step in the development of the megasporogenesis, that is formation of the female gametophyte. First point, Arches Fourier cell. Arches Fourier cell function as a megaspore mother cell. This megaspore mother cell undergo reductional division, that is meiosis, and there is formation of a 4 haploid megaspore. They are linearly arranged and the number is 4, so they are called as a linear tetrad. In next step, which changes take place out of 4 megaspore, upper 3 megaspore are degenerated and lower 1 is a functional megaspore. Lower 1 is a functional megaspore. In this step, we remember upper 3 megaspore degenerate and lower 1 is a functional. Lower 1 is a functional megaspore. This functional megaspore, it is also called as a fertile megaspore. Then in next step, upper 3 generated and lower 1 is a functional megaspore. mitotic division. First, mitotic division. In first step, megaspore mother cell undergo meiosis. There is formation of 4 haploid megaspore. Out of 4 megaspore, upper 3 megaspore degenerated and lower 1 is a functional. These functional megaspore undergo first mitotic division, and then there is formation of 2 nucleated embryo cell. How many nuclei are present? 2 nuclei are present. So it is called as a 2 nucleated embryo cell. Then this 2 nucleated embryo cell again undergo second mitotic division. Again undergo second mitotic division, and there is formation of how many nuclei? 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many nuclei are formed in this step? There are 4 nuclei formation take place. So this structure is called as a 4 nucleated embryo cell. In first step, megaspore mother cell undergo reductional division, that is undergo meiosis. There is formation of 4 haploid megaspore. They arrange linear. So this condition is called as a linear tetrad of a megaspore. Out of 4 megaspore, upper 3 degenerated and lower 1 is a functional. This upper 3 degenerated nucleus gives its energy to this a functional megaspore. So functional megaspore is first initial stage of the female gametophyte. Functional megaspore is first initial stage of the female gametophyte. That is, from megaspore, female gametophyte development take place. In male gametophyte, we see the development of the male gametophyte take place from a microscope. Then here we remember the development of the female gametophyte take place from the functional megaspore. These functional megaspore undergo first mitotic division. There is the formation of the 2 nuclei. Then it again undergoes second mitotic division, and there is the formation of the 4 nucleated structure. Then 4 nucleated structure again undergo third mitotic division. Again undergo third mitotic division, and from 4 nucleated structure there is the formation of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nucleated structure. So from 4 nucleated embryo sac, it undergo mitotic division, and there is formation of the 8 nucleated structure. Then in next step, which changes take place. In this diagram, we observe 4 nuclei present at nuclei are present at another pole. That is, at upper pole 4 nuclei are located, and toward the lower pole 4 nuclei are located. So how many nuclei are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In next stage, from one pole, out of 4 nuclei, 1 nucleus comes at the center. At same point, out of 4 nuclei, 1 nuclei comes at the center. That is, at this pole, how many nuclei are present? 3. At center, 2 polar nuclei are fused together, and there is the formation of the secondary nucleus. And here, 3 nuclei are present. That is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 nucleated structure is formed. Then, in next stage, this is called as a nuclear division. That is, megaspore mother cell developed from functional archaeosporial cell. Archaeosporial cell is hypodermal in origin. Megaspore mother cell is diploid, but when it undergoes meiosis, there is the formation of the 4 haploid megaspore. Out of 4 megaspore, upper 3 degenerated, and lower one is a functional. The functional megaspore is the first stage or initial stage of the female gametophyte. Then functional megaspore undergo first mitotic division. There is formation of the 2 nucleated structure. Then these 2 nucleated structure again undergo second mitotic division, and there is formation of the 4 nucleated structure. Then these 4 nucleated structure again undergo third mitotic division, and there is formation of the 8 nucleated structure. From here, 1 nucleus come at the center, and out of 4 nuclei, here also 1 nucleus come at the center. So at the center, 2 polar nuclei fused together, and there is the formation of the secondary nucleus. Then next, it is followed by the cellular division. That is, at upper side, group of 3 cells are formed. At center, secondary nucleus is formed, and at basal side, 3 group of cells are formed. So we give the label in this diagram. First label is antipodal cell. How many antipodal cells are developed? 1, 2, 3. Then next label, at the center, secondary nucleus is formed from fusion of the 2 polar nuclei, and here the 3 group of cells are known as egg apparatus. In Anatropous rule, the central part is called as a embryo sac. So embryo sac consists antipodal cells, secondary nucleus, and egg apparatus. Egg apparatus consists middle larger cell. This middle larger cell is called egg cell. Middle larger cell is called egg cell, and two lateral cells are called as a synergies. Two lateral cells are called as a synergy. So you remember one point. Embryo sac is 7-celled and 8-nucleated structure. Embryo sac, that is female gametophyte, is 7-celled and 8-nucleated structure. And embryo sac development takes place from functional megaspore. In this development, how many times mitotic division takes place? That is 3 times. First mitotic division, second mitotic division, and third mitotic division. So mitosis takes place 3 times, and megaspore mother cell undergo in meiosis. There is the formation of the linear tetrad of the megaspore. So here we remember what is antipodal cell. Antipodal cell means 3 group of cells present at the chalazial end is called as a antipodal cell. Definition of antipodal cell is group of 3 haploid cells present at chalazial end. These cells are called as a antipodal cell. What is the definition of secondary nucleus? When 2 polar nuclei fused together and there is formation of the secondary nucleus. That is, 2 polar nuclei fused together and definitive nucleus is formed. This definitive nucleus is called as a secondary nucleus, and secondary nucleus is present at the center. Then egg apparatus. Egg apparatus means group of 3 haploid cells present at micropylar end is called as egg apparatus. In egg apparatus, middle cell is larger. This larger cell is called as a egg cell, or it is also called as a female gamete, and 2 lateral cells are called as a synergid. In synergid, finger-like projections are present. This finger-like projection is called as a filiform apparatus, and this filiform apparatus is helpful for attraction of the pollen tube or entry of the pollen tube and movement of the male gametes up to the female gamete. So this is the structure of embryo sac, or it is also called female gametophyte. Female gametophyte. Female gametophyte is 7-celled and 8-nucleated structure. Then here we also study the 2 concepts. The development is called monosporic. What is the meaning of monosporic? Mono means one. Out of In some cases, 4 megaspores are functional. They are called as a tetrasporic. So you remember this term. Monosporic means only one megaspore is functional. Bisporic means 2 megaspores are functional. Trisporic means 3 megaspores are functional. And tetrasporic means 4 megaspores are functional. So this development is called as a monosporic. Then here we also remember another term. It is endosporic. Endosporic. That is, it takes place in the nucellus of the ovule that is inside the megaspore. So it is called as a endosporic. So development of the female gametophyte, we remember these four terms. First term is 7-celled structure. Then 8 nucleated structure. Then only one megaspore is a functional. So it is called as a monosporic. Then another character is a endosporic. So in angiosperm, embryo sac is called as a polygon. Why in angiosperm embryo sac is called polygonum? Because female gametophyte, that is embryo sac, is 7-celled, 8 nucleated, monosporic and endosporic. So it is called as polygonum type of the embryo sac. What is the function of these cells? Antipodal cells. Antipodal cells are degenerated after some time. At the center, secondary nucleus is present. After fertilization, secondary nucleus is converted into TPEN. That is long form of TPEN is triploid primary endosperm nucleus, and it provides nutrition to developing embryo. Endosperm, antipodal cells are haploid. Egg apparatus, in egg apparatus, egg is haploid. Synergids are haploid, but only secondary nucleus is diploid. This secondary nucleus is required for the process of double fertilization. What is the meaning of the double fertilization? Double fertilization means male gametophyte consists of how many male gametes? 2 male gametes. Out of 2 male gametes, 1 male gamete fuses with this egg, and there is formation of the diploid zygote. This zygote is again converted into the embryo. Then remaining 1 male gamete fuses with this secondary nucleus, and there is the formation of the triploid primary endosperm nucleus. So antipodal cells are haploid, egg cell is haploid, synergids are haploid, but secondary nucleus is a diploid. And in egg apparatus, egg cell fuse with the male gamete and formation of the diploid zygote, which again converted into the embryo. What is the role of the synergid? Synergids, they are supportive for the fertilization, and in synergid, finger-like projection is present. This finger-like projection is called as a piriform apparatus. So synergid also helpful for the attraction of the this is the structure of the embryo cell, that is female gametophyte. Again we repeated this point. Development of female gametophyte take place in nucellus of ovule. Archesporial cell is hypodermal in origin and serve as a megaspore mother cell. Megaspore mother cell undergo reductional division and there is formation of a 4 haploid megaspore. Out of 4 megaspore, upper 3 degenerate and lower one is a functional megaspore. These functional megaspore undergo first mitotic division. Then there is formation of 2 nucleated structure. Then these 2 nucleated structure again undergo second mitosis. There is formation of the 4 nucleated structure. 4 nucleated structure again undergo third mitotic division. There is formation of the 8 nucleated structure. From 8 nucleated structure, from each pole, 1 nucleus is migrated at the center. And here also at this pole, 1 nucleus is also migrated at the center. So at the center, 2 polar nuclei fused together and formation of the secondary nucleus. At one side, 3 group of the antipodal cells are present, which are haploid in nature, and at another pole, 3 group of the egg apparatus are present. In this egg apparatus, egg cell is a larger and it is also called as a female gamete, and 2 lateral cells are called as a synergid. Synergid also consists of finger-like projection. This finger-like projection is called as a piriform apparatus. Female gametophyte developed from only 1 megaspore, so it is called as a monospore. And how many cells are formed? 7 cells are formed, so it is called as a 7 cell. And how many nuclei are present? 8 nucleated structure. And another characteristic is it is endosperm. So in angiosperm, embryo sac is a polygonal type. This is the development of the female gametophyte from megaspore. And megaspore is the first initial stage of the female gametophyte. Secondary nucleus fuses with male gamete, another male gamete, and there is the formation of the TPEN. And egg cell fuses with 1 male gamete, and there is formation of the zygote. This zygote is diploid, but TPEN is a triploid. Zygote is diploid in nature and TPEN zygote diploid and triploid primary endosperm nucleus is a triploid in nature. Then we see the difference between male gametophyte and female gametophyte. Female gametophyte. Here, firstly we see the diagram of male gametophyte and diagram of the female gametophyte. Male gametophyte, exine, entine, colon two male gamete, and at the basal side 2 nucleus is present. How many gametes are present? 2 male gamete, and basal side 2 nucleus. Then the diagram of female gametophyte. At the chalicer end, 3 group of cells are present. These are called as a antipolar cells. At center, secondary nucleus is present, and at the microphyte side 3 unequal cells are formed. These are called egg apparatus. In egg apparatus, middle cell is called egg, and 2 lateral cells are called as a synergids. This is the structure of female gametophyte, and this is the structure of the male gametophyte. First point, male gametophyte develop from microspore. Male gametophyte develop from microspore. Female gametophyte develop from megaspore. Microspore is the first stage of the male gametophyte. Megaspore is the first initial stage of the female. Second point, male development of the male gametophyte take place inside the anther and on stigma. Development take place. Where development of the male gametophyte take place. Development of the male gametophyte take place before pollination inside the anther and after pollination on the stigma. So we write 2 places where the development take place. First, before pollination inside the anther, and after pollination on the stigma. Where the development of the female gametophyte take place. Development of female gametophyte take place in nucellus of ovule. Nucellus of ovule. Ovule, it is the part of carpel. Carpel consists of how many parts? 3 parts. First part is a stigma, second part is a style, and last part is a ovary. Ovary consists the number of the ovule, and ovule is egg containing ovary. Third point, in development of the male gametophyte, we studied the process of microsporogenesis. What is the definition of microsporogenesis? Formation of the microspore from microspore mother cell. And here in female gametophyte, we learn the process of megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis. Genesis means formation. Formation of the megaspore from megaspore mother cell. That is, megaspore mother cell undergo reduction division, and there is formation of the 4 megaspore. This process is called as a megasporogenesis. Then male gametophyte consists of 2 male gamete and 2 nucleus, and female gametophyte consists of antipolar cell, secondary nucleus, egg apparatus. In egg apparatus, middle cell called as a egg, and 2 lateral cells are called as a synergid. Thus, we learn the difference between male gametophyte and female gametophyte. And we also in this lecture we study the development of the female gametophyte, and this development is take place from the megaspore. 3 mitotic division take place and 1 meiotic division take place.